Hey folks, we're out in the plant today. Just finishing up on a little window graphic, but it's one of the other things we do. But one of the things that really is coming to light here with the whole social distancing thing is this separation 6 feet, right? And one of the things that we've produced for quite a while, and I think it's going to be something going forward, is floor graphics, right? Sort of how do you get creative with some floor graphics that you can put down that kind of shows that 6 feet of separation, as people are waiting in line in the restaurants or in the offices. Well, how do you creatively kind of show that without, drawing this red line, so thinking that through, because I believe that's going to be something that we as businesses and we're going to be dealing with this for a while, for quite a while. So floor graphics, think about that, how we could maybe help your company with a creative way of showing that 6 feet of distance. Steel Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.